Welcome. If you want to make your notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, more relevant and personal, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow likes notifications that are tailored just for you on X using your PC, following the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and find the More icon. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control and customize almost every aspect of your X experience. Next, in the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see different options related to how and when you get notified about activity on your account. Under Notifications, find and click on Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune your notification settings. Inside Preferences, you'll see a section called Push Notifications. Click on that. Now, scroll down until you find the Likes category. Here's where the magic happens. Under Likes, you'll see an option labeled Tailored for You. Select this option. By choosing Tailored for You, you're telling X to send you notifications about likes that are most relevant to your interests and activity. Instead of getting overwhelmed by every single like, you'll only be notified about the ones that matter most, making your notifications smarter and more useful. And that's it. You've just set up tailored likes notifications on X for your PC. This simple change helps you stay updated on the interactions that align with your interests without the noise. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on customizing your X experience. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly personalized notifications.